Now I've just been doing some pruning with my secateurs, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean them after using them for the day. So you just get a bowl filled with warm soapy water. I just use detergent and a scrubbing brush, and you just scrub off all the loose debris and all the dirt and all the sap from your secateur blades. Doing this is important to prevent the risk of transferring diseases between plants. So once you finish scrubbing them with the warm soapy water, grab a rag and just give it a really thorough dry. You don't want any water left on it. Make sure you dry every surface and behind every other surface. Then once it's all dry, I use vegetable oil. You can use any oil, motor oil, olive oil, and I just pour the oil straight onto the blade. I put a lot on because I'm going to scoop some up with the paper towel and then spread that around the rest of the secateurs to the spring and just cover every bit of the metal surfaces. Now you can store your secateurs till the next time you need them.